I actually got a door handle now. Interior is about clean. Still got to do a lot of stuff, but we're getting there. Anyways, what I got for the interior is right here. It's shaping right now, so I just got it out of the box. But so there's that. Door handle looks beautiful. And then I've got another part. Hold on. I believe this is the cable, shift cable. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so there's the shift cable. Hold on. So if I ain't wrong, there's two of them. Okay, so this side would go inside the cab, and then I'm going to assume that these connect. Yep. So I'll connect these two, thread it on there, pop that in. Alright. So this is next. So before we put the carpet in, we've got to put this shit in. So this part's obviously going to go right here and go down. And then my grommet. Probably should have put some type of sealer. That'd be alright. So now this cable's going to go up through here. Alright, so I got it on. Slides through right there. And then just connects to that. Then goes down through the grommet to that, which will then connect to this. And then this connects to your transmission. So we're going to weld this plate in where the shifter was. Got a little bit of sheet metal. We're gonna go ahead and measure this and get a cut for it. Sorry, my shirt's small, I just use it to work. Alright, let's see. 7.5. Yeah. 7.5. Now we're going to cut this. Oh. So here's our plate. Let's see how it fits. Seems to be maybe a little big, but I think it's gonna be all right. We'll just go ahead and take off the edges. See how that looks. Oh yeah, that fits way better. Alright, so now we're going to do the self-tapping screws. Actually first, just kidding. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the edges here. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of caulk all around. Mainly where these bolt holes are. Because I don't want to trace the same holes since I'm using self-tapping screws. Like that. And then on my plate, all the way around. Just like this. Sorry guys, it's hard to do and record at the same time. Alright. Just like that. Now I'm going to do self-tapping screws. I'm using 1-inch screws. Probably gonna do a few. No. Alright, so I got the bolts in. I might have done too many, but you know, the hole's covered. Got caulking. And I think it looks pretty good actually. Covering the hole. Kinda looks cool to me. But there's that. Now we're gonna do the carpet install after this dries. Alright, so that's about it on the carpet. I put a little bit of spray adhesive and stuff, but the interior is done and it looks great. Now I just need a windshield. And I know I went back and forth on what motor I was going to do. I was going to do a 4.8 with nitrous, then I was going to do a 5.3, 6.0, 6.2. For those of you that are watching and are subscribed to my channel, probably know that I changed my mind a lot. But I actually purchased a 6.2. I'm going to show you the interior real quick, and then I'll show y'all some pictures of the 6.2 that I'm picking up tomorrow, and we're going to put that in. And I've already got my harness right here. So once I pick up the 6.2 tomorrow, I'll be able to put that in. I'll go ahead and show you guys the interior, show you what it looks like. I think it looks a lot better than it did, and it's obviously not broken anymore. The carpet I bought off of Amazon. It was about $160, and it takes a lot of cutting and shaping. And I cut out this spot for my gas pedal because in my last truck, when I changed the carpet, my gas pedal wouldn't go all the way down. But I think the carpet looks great. I think the interior looks great. And I've got to put my radio in. So I've got the automatic steering column. And as y'all seen before, I'd already put the shift cable in. I've got the automatic instrument cluster, which shows the gear indicator. It's also got trans temp over there, which is perfect. That's what we want. But other than that, that's about it. Let me show y'all the other side. This is the first time I've had the truck out here in a long time. It's been crammed up in the garage. My fiance keeps telling me, or kept telling me before, that she never thinks this truck will run again, but I'm here to prove her different. Yeah, so I think that looks really good. I'm happy with it. And I like how I did the black. I didn't want to do all black, but the dash was real bad. You can see real close where the paint was coming off. So I just went ahead and painted it all black. You know, I like to spray paint everything in my garage. That's just how I am. But I wanted to leave this because I didn't want to paint the doors and everything. And it actually turned out pretty good. The white was already there before. But anyways, I'm gonna shoot y'all some pictures of the 6.0. I mean the 6.2, my bad. It's LS3, and it's got LS3 flat top pistons, King XP bearings and rings and all that good stuff. It's got my cam from the other truck, stage 4 cam, and LS6 Blue Beehive springs. It's got the 5364 square port LS3 heads, basically. LS3 flat top pistons, stock bottom end, melting oil pump, and that's about it. I'm going to be pairing it with the intake that I originally had, which is the NMBS intake, and then the 36-pound injectors. But let me show you what I did to the firewall. And here's a picture of what it looked like before. And then what it looks like now. It looks a lot better. A lot of this is caulking, but a lot of it is also spot welds because I suck at welding, but it's not leaking or anything. So that's the main problem, main thing. I went ahead and painted the engine bay black just to kind of cover up some of that, which it didn't really work because I could see it from here. So I'm not sure. I might put a heat shield or something, I don't know. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and for all of you that are subscribed, thanks for subscribing to my channel. And y'all stay tuned so y'all can see this LS3 run. And for those of you that don't know how to swap a LS3 into an NBS Silverado, because there's not a lot of stuff out there telling you how to do it, go ahead and check out my next couple videos and I'll explain how. Y'all have a good day.